More details have emerged about the suspect responsible for a near 4-hour-long standoff with the security forces in Mandeville on Tuesday. Anthony Lugg has the details.
In a release on Wednesday, the Jamaica Constabulary Force confirmed that 54-year-old Dave Alfrancis Wilson was a deportee who resided along Caledonia Road in Manchester. However, it was not revealed which country he was deported from, when, nor how long he was living in the parish. And so, our news team did some digging. We learned that he lived in Canada and had a criminal record for convictions for armed robberies dating back to the 1990s. In February 2003, Toronto Detective Sergeant Wilf Townley of the Hold Up Squad told a press conference that Wilson and his accomplice were part of the Yo-Yo Bandits, noting that they were in and out of Canada after being deported. They were eventually held at a video store with several hostages after police surrounded the building. The men were reportedly armed with a loaded 9mm handgun and an assault rifle. It mirrors the scene in Mandeville Tuesday. Police surrounding the apartment building where he fired several shots. The shootout lasted for nearly 4 hours. There were no hostages, but instead, frightened residents who had to scamper for cover. When the smoke cleared, the police seized a rifle with 28 rounds, a 9mm handgun with 17 rounds beside Wilson. They also seized 745 assorted rounds from the premises. But perhaps the writing was on the wall that Wilson, who goes by the alias Brown Man, was having challenges based on posts he made on his WhatsApp status Monday evening. At 8:03 p.m. he said, "Lord, I thank you for everything you have done for me." At 8:23, "Me not take no violation and disrespect from no boy. You will pay the ultimate price for crossing a certain line." And at 8:24, "The time has come to separate the men from the boys." Fast forward to Tuesday morning, it's alleged he shot and killed accountant 31-year-old Adrian Brown, believed to be over a dispute about the cost of eggs. Police went in search of him, which led to the shootout. And just as the shootout with the police has gone viral, so too his WhatsApp posts. Meanwhile, the police say the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau IPROBE and the Independent Commission of Investigations INDICOM are probing the incident. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.